Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for April 29, 2021. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, unfolded cube pattern. The program must accept 6 character as an integer and the integer n as an input. The 6 character represent the 6 faces of a cube given below. Okay, the integer represent the n cross n grid in the cube. The program must print the 6 faces as a cube in unfolded cube format. As mentioned above, the empty spaces are unfolded cube must be printed as asterisks. Okay, here is the input and this is the output. They are given A B C D E F. We have to print F D A B C E. Wait a minute, how this is happening? Here they have mentioned this is a cube, right? So let me draw the cube first. No cubes are being harmed here, they are just dislocated. Here they have considered this as phase 1, phase 2, the back side, phase phase 3 on the left side, phase 4 and bottom as phase 5, top as phase 6. So they have given a color like A, B, C, D, E, this is E and F. Ooh, scary. So according to their logic, A is the 1, B is the 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5 and F is 6. They both are matching, right? Yeah. So if we just unfold this cube, they are believing the cube should be something like this. One, two, three, 4, 5. No, this should be here. Apologize me for that. And they have printed something like they have started with 1 here, 2, 3 and 4, then 5, finally 6. This is how we should print if we consider this as a cube. But if we just consider this one as a pattern, every pattern should follow some pattern, right? Then only it's called itself as a pattern. So instead of thinking this much logical things, we can cut everything off. No, get lost. They have given 6 character and they have given a number 3. The pattern should be uh, n cross 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and n cross 4 columns, 1 2, like 12 columns for this case. And we have to print the fifth uh, or the last uh, position indexed character first, then we have to print the third one, fourth one, after that first three, then the last one. Here the empty spaces are just printed as asterisks. That's all. We don't need to complicate these things. We can do it simply. Let's see how we are going to do that. As usual, we are going to get the input first. Let me take it as a list. Input dot split of the whole list, and this should be the n, which is nothing but an integer value. So we have to traverse up to n cross 3, right? For I in range of n into 3, for j in range of what, n cross 4. We have to do some operations, like if I smaller than n, print of. Okay, that will lead us to a lot of different else conditions. Simply, why don't we just do that? Print of star into n times plus list of last character into n times, then yeah, exactly the same, star into n cross 2. See, we got that. Instead of star, we can say something comma separation, a space. Can we do that? Will it work? No. Okay, instead of this, we can do something like star of list of the whole value. This time this will print with spaces, I guess. Yeah, we got that. Like this, we have to do this for n times, I guess. For I in range of n. See, we got that. Instead of doing this, like, why don't we just make a function and do it there, like def, let me do it here, def pattern a comma b comma c comma d equal to asterisk, no, no, we don't have that, like we don't have to do that. For I in range of n print of star of list. In that list, print a into n times plus b into n times plus c into n times plus d into n times. Now we just have to pattern of star comma list of -1 comma star comma star, and here we have to print pattern of list of 4, I guess. 0 1 2, no, it's 3 comma list of 0 1 2. Can we do like this? Let's see what happened, what kind of error we are getting, or is this working somehow? Yo, we got that. F D A B C. That's it. That's it. We are on the correct track, I guess. Pattern of star comma list of -2 comma star star. Here we are unzipping the values, like it will pass the values like what 0 1 2, and we are mentioning star here, so the star will remove all these things and the value will be passed like this. Okay, this is the code for your view. Now it's time for you to wish me luck. Yeah, we got that simply.